Hi, Rosemary again from Rosemary Morris Art. I'm just going to make this little book. It's sort of a bookmarker that goes over a page like that with magnets, and I'll just show you how you can get the magnets to actually match up. Usually I use these tiny magnets, but I've tried them on the page, and because it's going through 1, 2, 3, 4, so many layers, the tiny ones are not strong enough. So I'm using these whacking great big ones, but there you go. So what I do first of all is stick that magnet down with, this is just temporary because this is going to be stuck over the top. So it actually makes like a little secret journaling space when you've finished. That's actually a bit far up, so I'll put it there. And of course when you write on these you're going to have a big lump of a magnet in the middle, but that's just one of the things. So you get the other magnet, if I can get it off, they're so strong. Oh, and by the way, I buy these on eBay very cheaply. They come like packets of dozens of them. Oh, I'll take that off. So then what you do is you put it on there. You can see that's really powerful. And then I put a little dab of glue on it, and the glue isn't to hold it. You fold it over where you want it to be, and then what it does, it leaves, see that little circle there, for you to put the other magnet on. So what you do is you make sure you put the glue side down on there. So I'm going to take this off and put it glue side down. Put a little bit of double-sided tape on just to hold it in place. There we are. And then I'm going to take the tape off because that'll help hold it as well. And then I'm going to use Fabri-Tac glue. Fabri-Tac glue, which I've just discovered. I had to get it in from America, which was very expensive, but it is brilliant because it's so quick and strong to use. So I'm going to put that around there and that around there. I don't know whether I'm off camera doing that, but you know how to put glue on, don't you? So I'll put quite a bit. That's more than I would usually put on a little thing like this. So put it in the middle, space it, stick it down there, stick it down there. Because I want it to fold over, I'm actually going to do that. The magnet's pulling it off. There we are, that seems to have stuck quite nicely. Just remember to put the top on. And I've also got the window open because this is really powerful stuff and you should use it in a well ventilated area. So you can use this like a bookmark. Put it on this page. Like so, or you can put it on the top as well. See, just a little thing. Probably what I should have done is gone around this with some distress ink, so I might try and do that just now, just to make it look a bit more antique-y. Perfect. Because that's so strong, you could actually put a little notebook in there as well, but I'm not going to do that. So I hope you found that useful.